You downloaded your transactions, but they came as a QFX file. This is meant for Quicken, but with a small tweak, we can import this data directly into Excel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn QFX files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. The foundational design of QFX positions it within the data file area. The final package utilizes the framework established by Quicken Financial Exchange File. The QFX Quicken Financial Exchange File is a proprietary format used for exchanging financial data between financial institutions and Intuit Quicken. It is an XML-based plaintext file containing transaction history, account balances, and investment data. Developed by Intuit, the format is XML-based and focuses on secure data transport. Its integrity relies on strict XML syntax adherence. The file is automatically read by the Quicken software to update records. Any manual tampering with the XML structure will cause the software to reject the file. For the QFX file type, Intuit Quicken from Quicken is a trusted and reliable source. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the QFX file and select Open with, Test Intuit Quicken if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the QFX format uniquely. If the QFX file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, use Quicken. Open the file using Quicken, as this is the native application designed to import the transactional data. Next, check version, CHAS year. Ensure the QFX file version is compatible with your version of Quicken. E.g., if it's an old file, you may need an older Quicken version. Finally, check for corruption. Open the file in a text editor to check for corruption or look for the required tags, e.g., to confirm structure. When the QFX file remains inaccessible, it's clear a professional-level tool is required. The Universal Viewer is the proven path to potential success. The fastest solution is File Magic, is the ultimate universal file viewer for the QFX format, available immediately at filemagic.com. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up. The quick fix wins every time.